Finally, and I would say finally, I found a way to use my cell phone as a Oculus VR. Yeah, I've already found an option, but now it's not working anymore. I found another way and now it's working. So guys, just come with me and I will show you. I had also some issue because I tried to install the Oculus application on a S8 ROM. Yeah, because if you didn't see my last video, I've installed the S8 ROM over my Note 5, and the application thought that my phone was an S8, so it couldn't work with the Oculus Rift. Because, let me check, but I guess that... a moment. It's work with the Note 5, the S7, S7 Edge, S6, S6 Edge and S6 Edge Plus. So if you have any other phones, guy, probably will not work, but I'm not so sure. You should check and tell me in the comments. And anyway, okay guys, this method don't require the root and it's not so difficult to follow, but you need just to do step by step with me. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is to go over the Play Store and write device ID here. Okay, now press install and accept. Okay, wait a few seconds and now you can open it. You need to press over here the hardware serial here and press copy. Okay, now you're good to go. You can go back over the Play Store and search sideload VR for Gear VR, this one. So you need to press here and install it. Wait a few seconds. You can go back, go over the link in description and log in over this page. The link is the Oculus dashboard for the OSIG generation and you need to log in. If you don't have any account, you need to create an account. Then you need to press over sign in here and put inside your email address and your password. Okay, now you can press sign in. Wait a few seconds and here you need to paste the code that you copied before and click download file here. Save. Okay, perfect. Now you need to go back, open sideload VR and just wait for it. Also press allow here. You have to wait for it because the sideload application is searching for the OSIG file. As you can see, OSIG file validated and now you're good to go. So you can press skip over here. If you had any problem, you just need to go over here, open the navigation drawer and click over the manual OSIG setup. That is the same thing. Press next, next, next and done. And now the sideload will search for the OSIG file one more time. Okay, but you have to make sure that you downloaded the file. So if you had this problem, you should go over the download folder. I use Explore, but you can use any folder manager. Also the original one of Samsung or Android. So you can go over download and make sure that you downloaded this file, Oculus Sync, and with this number here. Okay, now that you are almost good to go, you have to check the other link in description, go over the page for download the APK for the Oculus right here and make sure that this is the latest version. So as you can see, this is the latest. Okay, download APK. Okay, perfect. Wait few seconds and save the file. Starting to download. Okay, lovely. Now you can open this one. Oh, also, sorry, I've almost forgot something. Go back, go over the settings, press search and write install. Click over the unknown sources here and allow this button here, just pressing on it. Make OK. Now you can go back over your installation, so you have to go on the download folder and install the Oculus Horizon. Press install. I'm having this problem, I don't know if also you, but I can't press the install button, so I need to restart my phone. I had to restart my phone and I don't know why, but now I will start to record also over here, so just start now. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I've installed the Oculus application. Now I can click over the app. Okay. So here you can sync in with Facebook, or if you have the account, you can click over here and put in your email address and your password. Okay, press sync in. Click over the I don't have a payment method. And now you have to update the Oculus application. So click over the update now and allow this application. And wait for it. You have to wait more or less 5 or 6 minutes, also because there are 7 downloads to do. Oh guys, I've almost forgot. I have to say thanks to Paint Social, also because he was like one of my subscribers and he told me that now there is a method to make the Oculus app working, because before it wasn't working anymore, this method. And so Paint Social, thank you. Update now. So now you have to click over the update now. Start. Agree. Next. Install. And wait for it. It's like 106 megabytes. Okay, perfect. Now we can press over skip pairing for now, and we can try to download an app. So also we don't need to download any app. We can also open something like this Oculus browser here. But as you can see, the Oculus application now tell us that we need to insert our device into the Gear VR. So now we just need to go back, go over settings, apps, and looking for Gear VR service. That is here. Press on it, storage, manage storage, and now you have to click multiple times over the VR service version. Wait for it, and as you can see here, you are not a developer, so we need to do one more thing. Just let me check if I'm recording. Yeah, okay, perfect. So we have to go back and open the Sideload VR Alpha. Now with this app we will fake that we are developers, so our phone will think that we are a developer. Go over something and download an app. Try with this one. Yeah, 7 megabytes, perfect. Download app. Continue. And press install. So okay, perfect, I've installed the app and is it like this one. But if you can try to open it, the phone will tell you that you have to insert your device into the geared VR. But now you can go back, go over settings, because now your phone will think that you are a developer. Go over apps here, Gear VR service, like before. Okay, here. Then storage, manage storage, and press multiple time over the VR service version. Wait that the app is loading all the apps over the phone. And now, as you can see, you are a developer. Now you can turn on the developer mode here. Go over the Oculus application and open any app. I'm going to open the Oculus browser, but you can open anything. And as you can see, just right here, now it's working, and that's wonderful, isn't it? Finally. Now I can use my phone with this fake Oculus VR. Just let me try it now. Wow. But now we need a controller, right? Because I can't press anywhere. In the next video, guys, I will probably show you how to connect a controller, but I guess that if anyone can connect like an Xbox controller or a PS controller or anything, I guess also a keyboard with the Bluetooth might work. So guys, hope that this video was helpful. If you like this video, put a like, subscribe if you want. Hope to see you at the next video, guys. Also put a comment below. And bye bye!